Hello everyone, welcome to today's movie. Today's movie will take some simple time series data and we want to fit a trend line to that data, and in this case we want to use SPSS. So if we go to the Excel solution that we performed in a previous movie, then we can see that we use an example 10.4 which was concerned with the annual UK petrol prices in pence per litre from 1983 to 2020. And what we wanted to do was, we were given the data, as you can see there, from 1983. The value was 36.7 pence per litre. And then the last data set was 2020, which was 119.9 pence per litre. And then after that, we wanted to use that trend line to predict some values. So, and we can see what our solution was, as you can see on the screen. So what we're going to do now is we're going to use SPSS to solve the same problem. So let's go to SPSS dataset. There's my dataset. So I've put there period 1 to 38. And my dataset is 36.7 to 119.9. So that's the same as in Excel from there to there. Okay, so let's go back to SPSS. So how do we actually fit a trend line to that data? Well, what we do is we click on Analyze, we then click on Regression, and then we click on Curve Estimation. Okay, and after a second or two, you'll find that the series appears. Now we want the dependent variable as series, and this is a time problem. Okay, and we want linear. Now if we click on Save, okay, now what we want is the predicted values. You could ask for the residuals as well, but we won't here. But notice please that, look, it's got also a box there for prediction intervals, which we'll look at in a future movie. But what we want to also do is we want to predict using this trend line fit to observation number 48. So we type in number 48 there, and then we click on Continue. Now click on OK. Ignore that, just click OK again. And after a few seconds, the solution will appear in the output file. Okay, so there's the output file. Okay, there's your trend line, there's your original data, and there's your trend line. And that should look the same as that. Okay, very similar, except for obviously a different color scheme and so on. The scales are slightly different. But if you look at your data file, you'll see your values are there. So the trend line fit for time point 1, the series value is 36.7. The actual fit value is 23.84. So let's look at this. Look, there we are, 23.84. If we scroll down, the last value in our data set was 2020, time point 38. 119.9 was the series value, and the fit value was 130.4. Let's go back to here. Okay, there we are, 130.4, and these are the forecast values for the future time points 39 to 48. And as you can see, for time point 48, the predicted value used in the trend line, which has been extrapolated into the future, is 159.2. If you look at Excel, there we are, 159.2. So you get exactly the same solutions. In the next set of movies, we'll use both Excel and SPSS to fit a trend line and a prediction interval for that trend line as well. So bye for now.